Certified Madam Teresa Community Iriga Incorporated San Nicolas Iriga City. Entry number 36, Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur Incorporated, Portal Street, Santiago, Bato, Camarines Sur. School Principal, School President, Mr. Roberto F. Malacca, Principal, Mr. Conrado Otto. Holy Trinity College of Camarines Sur, Incorporated, Corps Commander and Staff, Hated, Lieutenant Colonel Maria Chanel P. Sanchez, Corps Commander, Sergeant Major, Total Principal and Squad, Sergeant Major, Anthony K. Ramos, S2, Sergeant Major, Yogi F. Regasti, S3, Hated Major, Princess Roma S. Regasti, S4, Major Leader, Hated Master Sergeant Bonnet A. Mataya, Last Leader, Sergeant Master Sergeant Jose P. Center, Company Commander, Sergeant Major Larry A. J. Peroviti Second, Company XO, Major, Santini Lan P. Oreta, Special Commander, Sergeant Major Anthony Bell Colombo, Special Commander, Sergeant Major